Hey there, homeowners. Ready to tackle your next big project? Today I'm going to walk you through installing an R-32 air conditioner and gas furnace system like a pro. Trust me, it's easier than you think when you know the steps. So, let's dive in. First up, pre-installation considerations. Choosing the right location is crucial. For the outdoor condenser, pick a level concrete pad, away from direct sunlight and obstructions. Indoors, ensure your furnace has adequate ventilation and clearance for maintenance, and don't forget to inspect your ductwork for any leaks or blockages. Proper placement can make all the difference. Now grab your tools. You'll need a refrigerant gauge manifold for R-32 systems, a vacuum pump, a pipe cutter, flaring tool, multimeter, electrical tester, and a leak detector. Got everything? Great, let's move on. Let's start with the gas furnace. First, secure the furnace in a level ventilated location. Connect the gas supply line, making sure there are no leak arcs. Next, install the flue vent for safe gas exhaust. Then connect the electrical supply and thermostat wiring. Finally, test the gas pressure and ignition sequence. Easy, right? Now, onto the R-32 air conditioner. Mount the outdoor condenser on a stable platform, install the copper refrigerant lines using the correct flare fittings, and connect the liquid and suction lines securely. Use a vacuum pump to evacuate air and moisture from the refrigerant lines. Charge the system with R-32 refrigerant according to the manufacturer's specifications. Almost there. Next, let's connect the thermostat and electrical wiring. Run the thermostat wiring from the air handler to the furnace and AC unit. Connect the wires according to the manufacturer's wiring diagram. Secure all high and low voltage connections and test the thermostat to confirm correct heating and cooling operation. Simple and straightforward. Time for post-installation testing. Use a leak detector or soap bubble test to check for refrigerant leaks. Make sure the system holds proper pressure levels before releasing refrigerant. Confirm there are no gas leaks in the furnace's fuel supply line. Next, verify supply and return air temperatures. Adjust fan speed settings and ensure even temperature distribution throughout your home. Safety and performance verification is a must. Check the flame sensor, igniter and carbon monoxide detector. Run the system through a full heating and cooling cycle to confirm performance. You're almost done. Now, let's talk about common installation mistakes. Don't skip vacuuming refrigerant lines. It leads to moisture contamination and reduced efficiency. Make sure you size your lines properly to avoid pressure imbalances. Incorrect thermostat wiring can cause system malfunctions, and be careful with refrigerant charging. Overcharging or undercharging affects cooling performance and longevity. Lastly, always test for gas leaks to avoid safety hazards. Avoid these mistakes and you'll be golden. Finally, let's break down the costs and potential energy savings. A professional installation might cost between $5,000 and $8,000, but prevents inefficiencies. Upgrading to a smart thermostat can save you $50 to $100 per year. Duct sealing and insulation can reduce air leakage by 30%. A high SEER 2 R-32 AC can save you $200 to $400 annually, and a 96% AFUE gas furnace can save $250 to $500 annually. Pretty impressive, right? And there you have it. A properly installed R-32 AC and gas furnace system ensures long-term energy savings, reliable performance, and environmental benefits. By following this guide, you're well on your way to achieving optimal efficiency and safety. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.